In this video, you'll learn how DocuSign Iris enables CLM users to leverage AI-extracted data from their agreements to efficiently analyze, manage, and act on key information. This is an example of a master services agreement between a CLM user and one of their customers. This agreement needs to be reviewed and signed by these parties before any work begins. When the MSA is processed, AI-extracted fields, such as payment terms and governing law, are surfaced and can be used in the next steps of the agreement process. The Use AI Data Insights workflow step can be used to extract data from an agreement. This data, also known as attributes, may come from standard fields DocuSign provides for standard agreement types. If your organization needs to capture industry-specific agreement data and insights not covered by these standard fields, you can also create custom agreement types and define custom fields to meet those requirements. If you are a CLM customer without an IAM plan, the standard extraction fields are available. Customers with an IAM plan have access to both standard and custom extraction fields that are set up in Navigator. When the sample MSA is processed by the Use AI Data Insights workflow step, key information such as agreement type, effective date, and payment terms is extracted and can be mapped as custom attributes to the agreement. How do we configure these AI extractions to populate agreement attributes? First, create a custom attribute group in CLM to store the needed AI extraction fields. In this example, add the attribute fields, such as agreement type, effective date, termination, renewal, payment, legal and compliance terms. The AI extracted values for these fields will be assigned to these attributes. Second, configure the Use AI Data Insights workflow step. This step extracts data from the agreement using AI, then stores the results in an XML variable used in the next step. Select the agreement that needs to be sent for AI extraction. In this example, this agreement is represented by the params variable in the workflow. In the Output section, choose the option to store the AI-processed extraction result of this step in an XML variable. Before proceeding to the next step, it is important to understand the structure of the XML variable that stores the output generated in this step. This is the XML output of the Use AI Data Insights step, stored in the AI results variable. There are two output formats that can be used to retrieve data from the agreement. The repeatable field collections format uses repeating elements to group related fields. This format produces XML that iterates through every field regardless of its name. In the flattened field collections format, the name of each field is used as the XML element tag itself for basic non-iterative data retrieval. For example, AI detected the agreement type in the document, and the actual name of the extraction field is contained within the agreement type tag. The formatted value of the agreement type field is found in the value subelement. The effective date is extracted and captured in the effective date tag of the XML output. The extracted field values for the termination, renewal, legal, and compliance terms are captured in a similar structure in the XML output. Next, we'll assign the extracted field values to custom attributes through the Update Document Metadata Value workflow step. In the Document Attribute section, select the custom attribute to apply. Select the agreement type attribute from the custom attribute group created. In the new variable value field, select the AI results variable and navigate to the sub-element where the formatted value of the agreement type field can be obtained. This is the same path described earlier, where we located the extracted value from the XML output. Repeat these steps to assign the rest of the extracted data to the custom attributes. When the workflow execution is completed, the extracted data is assigned to its corresponding attribute fields. The availability of these AI-extracted attribute values allows you to streamline the review process, accurately search for agreements, and create reports based on specific attributes like payment terms or renewal type. You can also apply the Use AI Data Insights step with other workflow steps for various automations, such as sending data to external systems or conditionally routing agreements.